mag-cheer kayo dito. Let's go, Sia! Isang bounce lang.
Table number 5.
Nice one!
Secondary girls seniors team. Match between TCU, Jimenez Robin versus Litsami, Montemayor Princess. Table number 5.
Oh, receive, receive. Isang bounce. Pagka-bounce din. Huwag yung isang It's okay. Oh, service mo. Service. Oh, another service siya.
Table number 6.
Nice one.
Table number 6.
Oh, ready siya, ready. Abutin mo, abutin mo.
Table number 6. Secondary boys singles team. Match between Sidaps Bigford Johnson versus Bixasi Isaiah.
Nice one, Sia. Service, service. Yay! Oh, abutin na, abutin. Service niya po. Abutin na, abutin. Abot. Oh, let's go. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, isa pa. Abutin na, abutin na. Oh, go. Habaan yung kamay. Habaan. Oh, change and come here. Bigay yung ball. Oh, come here. Go, Sia. Nice service. Nice service. Ang galing ah. Wow, nice service. Oh, ready. Sayang. Okay lang yun. Tama yun. Tama yun. Opo, abutin. Oh, service mo. Service mo. Oh, service mo. Ready. Oh, tulak. Push. Push. Ay, sayang. It's okay. Oh, ready, ready, ready. Abutin na. Oh, ready. Ready siya, ready. Oh, ready siya. Tingin sa bola. Okay. Service mo, service mo. Wow! Galing mag-service Wow! Ang galing Oh, sa kanila. Oh, go, 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 siya. Habol, habol.